I'm Paige Steers. I'm here at the Crew National Conference in Chicago talking to experts right from the floor of the show. I have Liz Gagliardi. We're talking about development and capital markets. And Liz, educate us on land sales, because as banks really had the trouble and the recession hit, they really cleared their balance sheet of one thing first, and that was land. Do you see that trend increasing now, or has it kind of tailored off?
I would say it's definitely subsided. Land was really that first asset class to experience distress, so it was the one that the banks were dealing with first. Initially, there were some lenders that were hesitant to take the types of write-downs that they needed to in order to move that product in the marketplace. However, I think that as people realized that this economy was going to continue to bounce along that bottom, that this recession was going to last longer than we had anticipated, the lenders decided to go ahead and take the write-downs that they needed to in order to make sure that they were able to move that product off their books. So I would say there's less of that supply in the marketplace.
Let's talk overall about development, because the market really isn't hot enough and sustained enough to have widespread development. But are you seeing some of that activity, Liz?
Yes, we are actually. I think, it's very geography specific. However, and from a product type standpoint, I would say multifamily really tends to be the hot product right now. It's financeable from a construction perspective. Home ownership levels have dropped to some of the lowest in our history. And so I think that when you look at that would-be buyer that is not able to purchase a new home right now for financing contingencies, unemployment rates still remain high, they're looking to rent. And so there's definitely been an uptick in occupancy for a rental product, increasing rental rates, and that's become the new product for developers.
Okay, well, let's switch now to a look at the industry. How do you feel women really contribute to the value here? We're at Crew at the conference, and let's talk about development and where you think they bring value having a seat at the table.
I think women tend to think more creatively, a little bit further outside of the box. So that's really important when you look at development opportunities. Our group does a lot of highest and best use and feasibility analysis. So a lot of times we're searching for a highest and best use that may not necessarily be readily apparent when you look at a project. And so having that vision and be able to think outside the box is really important, and it helps to bring more value to that project.
Okay, well, we'll let you get to the networking. Thanks for joining us here at the Crew Convention, Liz.
Thank you.